So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday, the 11th of September. Now, let's have a look what my price is and my price may likely go. So we see here we've had a break of the 1073, so the acceleration up towards that 200 period moving average. We've pulled back down towards this 111. It's slightly below the 111, but we have not seen a breakdown from this 111 with the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. What we did instead see more recently is a hold of that 111, tested the 200 period moving average, brief pullback, didn't quite test the 111 again, saw this sharp acceleration here to the upside, had this consolidation which looks like a bit of a bull flag, and we do seem poised for a test of that 1160. Previously, and we've encountered a resistance here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we do encounter major resistance in around that 1160, we're possibly looking for a move back down towards this area of confluence of 200 and 400 period moving average and this 111, possibly looking at a test of that 111, the horizontal level. If we are successful in breaking here to the downside beyond the 111, we're looking for a move down to that 1073, and beyond the 1073, the very next horizontal level of note is a move down towards this 1020 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see a break and hold of that 1160, we do see a break away from that 1160. The very next level of note is a move up towards that 1215, successful break from which we then look for price head up towards that 1252 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts to see how prices are developing. We get the scale on here correct. As you can see here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we've had price come in towards that 1160, on one occasion trade up towards that 1180. Counter resistance had this pullback down towards this 1073. Bullish bounce again in counter resistance. So we've been in a bit of a trading range here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And we've got support in around that 1073. On occasion we have traded slightly below that 1073. And we've encountered resistance in around that 1160. Now at present we're trading near our day's highs. We've had a pretty strong well, I wouldn't say pretty strong. We've had bullish buy side momentum over the past couple of days since interacting with the 1073 and trading slightly below it. And we do seem poised for a test of that 1160. We're currently trading near day's high. So we'll see if we can break and hold the 1160 here. And if that does happen, we're then looking for price up towards that 1215 previous scenario, counter resistance before seeing this pullback. Be it breaking beyond that should possibly open us up towards heading towards that 1304 here from a daily chart perspective on the US dollar Japanese yen. If we can break and hold above that 1215 from a daily chart perspective, the very next level of note is of course a move up towards that 1304 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.